Okay. Where are you going? Yeah. What's this door doing open? You smell something? No. What is it? Do you not remember him? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, he's wagging. Oh my gosh, you know who it is? Oh my gosh.
Hey puppy, how you doing?
Michael. Yeah.
Right.
See, this is Semper seeing Michael for the first time. Oh, now he remembers. It just took him a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just took you a second. Oh. It's really, it's real.
There's just not that much left. No, you have to lick the skin. Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
That's right. Puppy.
Good boy.
Oh,
Okay.
See, there we go. Nice, not so crowded.